in, on, at. Prepositions we can use with places. So what can we say for home? I am at home. She is at home. So home, always at. Okay? School, students are at school. I am at school. Okay? Taxi, in a taxi. She is in a taxi. Okay? Car, he is in a car. I am in my car. Okay? Train, he is on train. I am on train. You are on train. Okay? Plane, again, on plane. Okay? Bus, on the bus. I am on the bus. These are public transportation. We always use on. Alright? The table. Something on the table. The marker is on the table. My book is on the table. Facebook. I watched a video on Facebook. I saw a picture on Facebook. Okay? YouTube. I watched a video on YouTube. Okay? So these are social media. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. That again we can use on with social media platforms.